I gave Claude Fable 6 impossible prompts, one shot each, completely different apps, and you'll watch every token I burn. Okay, yep, I guess. We got wanted level 1. The police is after me. So by the end of this video, you'll know if Fable 5 is worth the hype, and I'll give every single prompt in the Google Doc down below. But why should you care? Well, the reason is that this model is outperforming the best models by a long shot. If you were using Opus, you were here, and now we're up here. The difference is just incredible. But you and me are only going to get access until June 22nd, and then they take it away from the Pro, Max, and Team subscriptions. So that means that we should use this now. And how you get access is just go to your Claude desktop, and as you can see, Fable 5 and 5 at 1 million context should now be available to you. And the same thing goes in terminal. Just write model, and as you can see, Fable is now the second option. For all today's experiments, I'll be doing X high, and these are the 6 prompts that I'm going to test. You will see them all in just a minute, so let's begin with prompt number 1. For the factory, took 13 minutes 44 seconds. And to reiterate the prompt, this is a Factorio style game, but it's a YouTube channel. And the twist is that it makes itself. So let's take a look here at 2x speed. You can see that we are now having 2 script writers. You see that there is this thumbnail maker, it seems like. It's a publisher, and I'm just going to speed it up. Let's take a look. Over at the right side, we have shipped videos. So these actually get shipped. There's a winning formats flow back to the video idea source, and we're taking here ideas from a newsletter and from the ideas dashboard, and as you can see, it's growing, and we're getting more ad revenue, more subscribers, and we're shipping a bunch of videos. This is super cool. You can even see here that format. So apparently this is a format selector. It's selecting different formats. So the stop using X is the best format, or X versus Y is one of the best formats. This is actually so much fun. And yeah, this is the first time I built this with Fable. I tried to build something like this with Opus 4.8, but it definitely didn't look as good as this. It just keeps growing. That's crazy. Wait, 2.3 million views per minute? Damn. I'm going at 8x speed here, and it's going just crazy. I don't know what to think. As a 13-minute start, I think it did really well. Prompt number 2, did GTA. So here we got the GTA clone. That took 30 minutes until we hit the token limit, another 17 minutes. So 47 in total, and this is what we got. We're in it already. I am apparently this guy here. I can enter the car and we're off. Are you kidding? What is that sound effect? That's horrible. Okay, I can drive people over. Let's test it out. Oh my God, it has the feeling of like arcade games or something like that. They're running away because of my car. We got wanted level 1. The police is after me. Let's see if we can run more people over, create more chaos. It's very hard to run people over, actually. There we go, wanted level 2. And it seems wasted. Back on the streets, I don't know if we have any weapons, which is obviously not so GTA-like. So I can't really do much besides drive. But how the graphics are and how everything moves, it just feels so different compared to an Opus prompt, where I know the majority of it would be super jank to begin with, and then I would have to fix it. This feels more like an already working game. As I'm just driving into a bunch of cars and got wasted. Oh, there is one thing I didn't check. I can just jack any car and I can drift with space. So we're actually getting this nice little effect at the end. And just imagine where we could make it in just one more prompt. For the next prompt, we made a Seiko luxury watch reseller website. And what surprised me is that it looks like it's created some sort of 3D model, as it's not actually a photo. As you can see, the prompt was fairly small. And for the next time, I do want to have a better render engine because it doesn't really look like this, you know? But let's take a look down the website. As you can see, it has all pieces. And here it's displaying the different watches themselves. Now, I'm not sure this is actually correct. SLA 017. I don't think it looks like this. And this one as well is a little bit too simplistic. So I don't think they nailed the shape. Here we do have the turtle. I don't know if you know, also has this Captain Willard, which Casey Neistat just bought. Looks so good on him. But as I keep looking, it actually seems like they're pretty similar to their original timepiece. And just look at how it's animating throughout the watch here. And I bet if I had just one more prompt to make it more 3D, more render-like, and even imagine we put it on some counter or something like that, like an IKEA showroom or on somebody's arm, it would look absolutely beautiful as well. And it's a second page we can add to cart. We can proceed to checkout. Wow, we even have a checkout page and we can place the order. So yeah, Takumi website in just one prompt. Absolutely excellent. The next prompt that I wanted to make was some sort of intelligence engine where it can show us a dashboard of subscribers, videos published. And I even asked for Facebook, Instagram views, and a couple more KPIs. But so far it's looking pretty good. Here is YouTube views over time, and I haven't posted for the last 2 years that much, but getting back to it. If we click on cumulative, as you can see, it goes out of the box, which I don't really like that. Here in the videos as well, it actually goes outside of the boundary. Here we have a results checker where we can check the yesterday's results, and you can also see when it got published. I wish there was a thumbnail here as well, but I guess that's all right. Let's click on check a results though. Here we go, 3000, and it immediately went to archived. But under that, we have per video results. As you can see, this is sorted by my top viewed videos, and hopefully what this page becomes in the future is that we can learn from our results and feed that back again into the input of this machine, which is obviously new video ideas, content I want to make, as well as my audience wants as well. But here you can see we actually have a connect Instagram button and connect Facebook. So we haven't wired the API key, but apparently we can pretty easily add the Instagram and Facebook. So I would give it one more prompt and we should probably be back in business. Overall, for what it does and how it looks like, it is just absolutely gorgeous. And I want to keep building on it to make it even better. So I can basically have every single stat on just one dashboard. For the next prompt, we made a drum kit. It baked for 7 minutes, 40 seconds and made this. As you can see, we can click on the drums themselves. Very spaced out drum kit. And we can use the keyboard shortcuts. So let's see if we can... It's actually lagging a tiny bit in my headphones and makes it impossible to play. There's like 100 different directions that I could go with this. You can see the possible. We could even take it to like some sort of full looping system that if I just play the drums, I can then start playing some piano, guitar, bass. But as a first prompt, this is so sick. Let's get to the next. For the next prompt, we had a rally simulator. Very short prompt. Mobile first. It ran for 30 minutes before we hit the limit, so about 33 minutes total. But let's check out what actually happened. Left thumb, drag to steer. Right thumb, gas brake. All right, I don't know. I don't have any thumbs on me, but here we go. Okay, I am driving ASD. Oh, it's actually drifting. Are you kidding? I can brake. Can I actually get like a nice drift around the corner here? Oh, I can't do it. Okay, I'm gonna It also works with just keyboard shortcuts. So let's see if we can get it to drift. All right. Let's get the drift in. Okay. Yep, I guess. That's insane. We got some tilt on, tilt steering. So that is for the mobile only, I guess. We have the sound on or off, and we have, I guess, repeat or restart, just like that. What an insane game. Never been able to make anything like this in one shot before. I don't know if you guys watch other YouTubers or anything that make prompts like this, but to me, this is the first time that I've seen anything like this. So let me know if this is impressive or not. Let's just get a good score, huh? Oh, tight turn. Let's get it. No, the same exact thing happened again. There we go. So, I mean, that is just absolutely incredible. If we just added, 10 maps and put this on the iOS store and the Android store, give it one more week or 10 more prompts in Claude, Fable, and you're covered. So today we tested Fable 5 on all these 5 prompts. It's just incredible to see how well it one-shots prompts, and it just works. My favorite was the factory. I really want to build out a bigger automation for content. The best game was by far GTA. I just loved how reactive the NPCs were and the physics, the driving, everything, but no guns. I don't know, that's not good. For the website, a little bit more beautiful renders, and the intel needs a lot more work. The drums, I wish we could do like a looper with piano and stuff like that. And the rally, come on. Let's add like more cars in there, multiple maps, including Norway. So Fable 5, far beyond my expectation. If you're interested in building apps and AI agents, check out our new 7-day build and sell your first web app challenge. That's about it. See you tomorrow.